Evening, everyone. Thanks so much for staying with us at 4:30. I'm Tristan Begum.
And I'm John Gray. Chip manufacturing is back in the spotlight here in New York State. From the passage of the CHIPS and Science Act to the new Micron facility, the industry is booming.
But lawmakers touring Albany's nanotech complex today are keeping the momentum going. Capitol correspondent Jamie DeLine has the details about a new proposal that could further strengthen the industry.
From the Capital Region to the Hudson Valley and soon Central New York, New York State is becoming one of the major hubs of chip manufacturing. Now that more chips will be produced here in New York State, Senator Chuck Schumer wants to make sure that companies that do business with the federal government limit the use of semiconductor chips made in China.
I am proposing in this year's Defense Authorization Bill, the NDAA, that when the federal government is buying a product or service, we block the use of chips from three of the biggest and most dangerous Chinese companies in the game: SMIC, CXMT, and YMTC.
He says having these Chinese-made chips in the federal supply chain is a direct threat to national security and economic security. Schumer's proposal comes just weeks after three major tech manufacturing announcements in Syracuse, Poughkeepsie, and the Capital Region.
As we look at the CHIPS Act, there's two elements: the manufacturing piece and the R&D piece. And so the research and development part is the area that we're most interested in, and that calls for development of a national semiconductor technology center. And we would like that national technology center to be here at Albany Nanotech.
I asked the senator when New York State will really start to see this industry boom.
The administration, I know because I talk to them regularly, wants to move very, very quickly to get the dollars of the chip fab dollars out, and the investment tax credit occurs automatically when they can use both. We made sure in the legislation they can use both together. So it's going to happen quickly. I wouldn't be surprised if in the next few months we start seeing some grants issued.
In Albany, I'm Jamie DeLine.
In Vermont, Senator Patrick